Nancy, the nurse practitioner. I'm here at Sage Booth Library. We're doing a memory cafe, and one thing about memory is the more things you do that are craft related to what you did when you were younger helps you bring back all sorts of things that you loved as a kid or young adult or as an older adult. So it's really important to bring crafts into the world of us as we get older, whatever that is, music, art, painting, anything you like. So we're here today doing all sorts of crafts. We have made
Do you want to put some, you want me to put some
actually went to the woods and made these grapevine wreaths myself and found berries and stuff, and then people decorated them with bells and ribbons and stuff I got at a store like Joann's. And then they could put a little candle on, which is really cool.
and then I'll get some of the creepy paper.
We made these luminaries.
Say goodbye.
This is the glue stuff that we
We made these luminaries, which is just using glue and Epsom salts on a mason jar, putting crinkled paper in it, and a little luminary battery operated. You can put all sorts of ribbons and stuff in it. It's really pretty. You can actually put it in the center of your grapevine.
Oh, you got it, okay.
And then we've also making taking rocks.
Would you like some glitter?
And I picked up a bunch of rocks, like at the beaches, all beautiful rocks. You could put sparkles on them with like E600 glue, which is really nice. Make sure if the person has some difficulties with mental, cognitive, not to let them have the glue, of course, but be there. Put a little bit on. You can put sparkles. You can put little jewels. You can put a pin on them, and they can wear them. They're really, really pretty. So make sure you take care of yourself and have a really great holiday, everybody, from the Memory Cafe at CH Booth Library in Newtown, Connecticut, from Nancy the NP.